Alright, so as you can see, I'm taking a diagonal section, 45-degree angle, holding my fingers a little bit up, meaning I'm lifting my fingers a little bit up at the occipital bone, but then as I get down by the neck, I'm holding my fingers as close to the neck as possible because I want the hair at the neck as short as possible. And as I work my way to the occipital bone, I want a little bit of length. That's what's going to create the graduation. The 45-degree angle, shorter at the neck, longer at the occipital bone, is where the graduation is developed. So, I'm going to continue to take diagonal sections, working my way up the head. You can see I'm taking another section right there, combing that down, slightly lifting the hair right there at the occipital bone. But as I get closer to the ear, my fingers start to go closer to the head so that I have a shorter length as I get right by the neck. Because we want the hair at the neck to be nice and tight, and then the hair at the occipital bone nice and full. That's what's going to create the beautiful graduation in the graduated bob. Alright, so now it is time to incorporate the sides. So you can see I'm taking another section, ever so slightly lifting. And then, as I get closer to the ear, I'm lifting less until I get to the actual sides of the hair, which is right here. And I'm basically now cutting the bob part of the graduated bob. This is the bob part that will come down like a bob onto the face. And then from the front, working its way to the back, is where the graduation starts to build up. Hence why it's called the graduated bob. Alright, so now that we've completed the right side of this haircut, it's time to execute the left side. Not a whole lot to explain here. Pretty much the exact same thing I did on the right side, I'm just going to be now doing on the left side. So, basically, you can see I'm just going to continue to take diagonal sections, working my way up the head, keeping more length at the occipital bone, and less length as I get closer to the neck. So as you can see, I've already taken the hair and dried it, and it's now time to address the bang/fringe area. Once I've completed that, we'll pretty much be all wrapped up. So we are done with this haircut, the graduated bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments in regards to this haircut, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.